sometimes your actions do speak louder than words. So I've wrote down here that, as you've heard before, fully and properly living out our faith can often be the best way to communicate the beauty of it to others. And and I've also wrote down here, if we are living well ordered, happy, charitable lives that reflect our faith, those we meet will wonder where these attitudes come from. And once they find out it is directly from Christianity, i.e., living a righteous life, living a charitable life, living a happy life, joyous life, once they realize that comes directly from our relationship with Christianity, many of these individuals will look at Christian life in a new positive light.